pleasant good morning to all the members of Sondic Society present over here. A hearty welcome to all the respected members of Sondic Society present over here. Today, I am glad that I have got the opportunity to welcome you all in this Rajmohani Bhavan, Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh. I, Akshan Gupta,
I am Mahi Gupta.
and with all the delight we are welcoming you all.
Today, as we all know, we have gathered here to address some of the important problems facing by our society in our day-to-day life, like water scarcity, deforestation, the right to girl education, and many more.
And I hope with the presence of you all, we will be able to solve this problem and will be upcoming the bright future of our society. Thank you very much.
And again, a hearty welcome to everyone. Thank you.
Myself, Khushi Gupta, daughter of Pradeep Kumar Gupta and Lalita Gupta, standing in front of you to address the problem as mentioned earlier and the steps we take as an ideal society to create awareness about the same. So let me start from the basics, that is oxygen. Where do we get this oxygen from? Trees, right? Everyone knows this and know the importance of plants. But in our busy life schedule, we ignore the fact that thousands of trees are cut down for our personal benefits only. Globally, 10 million hectares of forests are cleared every year. The country with the second highest level of deforestation is India, which has lost around 6,68,400 hectares of forestry over recent years. As the country with the largest population in the world, India had to compensate for the increase in residents. This has came a cost in the way of deforestation, with a difference of 2,84,400 hectares in forestry lost between the year 1990 and 2020. India has seen the biggest increase in deforestation. Keeping all this in mind, we are now focusing on planting trees, and as an example, we will plant 5 trees today and aim to grow 50,000 plants in Sarguja district, 1 lakh in Chhattisgarh and 1 crore overall India. For the same purpose, we will distribute 1 plant to each one present here, and I would like you to take initiative and plant it in your homes and motivate others to plant trees as well. Now let's move on to another basic need, that is water. Water, as you already know, during summer we face a lot of water shortages. Even for some people don't have access to clean drinking water. As a society, we should take steps to create awareness about the same. Government has a slogan called Jal Hi Jeevan Hai, which means there is no life without water. This helps to acknowledge the importance of water not only for humans but for all living people. I am really proud to say that our Sondic Society helped a lot of people this summer by providing clean drinking water, and I hope we continue to help the people. Now, as you know, education is most important for everyone regardless boy or girl. Even though most